TCL is remixing its product strategy for Alcatel in 2018, bringing what they say is the best of their Idol phones at multiple affordable price points. I'm Jaime Rivera with Jules Wang reporting for Pocketnow at CES 2018. Let's take a close look. We should say before going on that Alcatel will detail specifics on devices at MWC, but they're introducing their blueprints right now. The models on display are just that actually, models on display. That said, this is our first look at the Alcatel 1, 3, and 5 series. You'll notice that they all have fingerprint sensors at the back and extra wide displays. Probably the best looker of the bunch is the Alcatel 5 series, but what's still hard to believe is that this device is apparently going to retail for under $300. The Alcatel 3 is no slouch when it comes to the looks department thanks to its reflective back, dual cameras, and even this one will go for under $200. The Alcatel 1 series is probably the only ugly one in the bunch, but for $100, you can't really ask for much, like seriously. Oh, and did I mention that all devices include the new standard 2:1 aspect ratio across the board? Now, if you're asking yourself, how is that even possible with these budget offerings? Well, that's because TCL will be providing the panels of these devices, since, yes, Alcatel belongs to TCL, and we know the company is having a lot of success in its TV business. Obviously, it will be interesting to see just how well this synergy works when we review these devices. Some Alcatel 1 phones will run with the lighter version of Android Oreo under the Android Go program. Meanwhile, select 3 and 5 series phones will get dual cameras, either on the rear or the selfie side. Specs are still not provided, but we're happy to see headphone jacks are being included on all devices. All the while, TCL wants to imbue the aesthetic of its previous Idol phones matched with some aggressive price tags. This is not to say that the Idol line will end, but it's just to be clear that the focus right now is diversification of choice, all on a budget. We'll look forward to seeing these devices in our review labs very soon, but in the meantime, make sure you chime in the comments and let us know what your opinion is on this new approach. And while you're at that, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more CES 2018 coverage. You can follow Jules at PointJules on Twitter, me at Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw, and stay tuned for more coverage coming very soon.